back to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for coming back and supporting me. Thank you to all of my new subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to this channel and this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I do a lot of DIYs on here. Today I'm going to make some glam candle holders, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the back of the candle dishes. I've already cleaned the inside of the vases, and what I am going to do, I'm going to put a little glue in certain spots inside the vase, and then I am going to take some of the silver leaf paper and put it inside. After it dries, so I'm going to go ahead and spray paint the inside of the vase a hot pink. These are the pieces that I am going to glue onto the bottom of the candle dish like this, and then the bigger piece is going to be glued to the bottom of this vase. So let's get started here. It's going to take some of this glue and put it right on the sponge. This is my first time doing this, guys, so I'm hoping that it turns out pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the silver foil in here, let it dry, take off as much as I can. Taking the base, putting a little glue around it. Try to get it in the center as much as possible. Put this one to the side and glue the next one. I just realized I've been working this whole time for the last couple of hours and didn't have my lights on. So I'm hoping the video turns out bright enough for you all to see it. If not, I'm so sorry. This is how this is looking so far. Okay, that turned out pretty good. And now I am going to glue the top piece on. Let that dry and come back with the reveal. And here is the reveal, guys. I think they turned out beautiful. This is too plain for me, so I put some rocks down here. I'm liking those rocks, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and do both of them with the rocks going around it. Gives it just a little bit more elegant look. Thanks for watching once again. And remember, I have a surprise announcement. And you all have a blessed day.